Hello friends. Today, I'm going to make a custom table for the camper van. Come on along. So as you can see here, up front is another way of dining with the Roadtrek. Normally a table like this, which is a little bit bigger than this one, would go back here and fit this area. But with Roadtrek design, I don't understand why they made such a big table. I guess so you can fit 4 people across, but honestly, more than 2 or 3 in here is a little crowded. But when this bed is made, this unfolds into a king-size bed. And then this table is made to come up here for the captain chairs, so you can lounge and eat here. But the thing with this table, personally I think it's a poorly designed. It's just square, you can't really get through here. And what I want to do is customize a table where it'll be easier to get through and back around that way. Here, I'll show you. So if we come through here, it's just a little tight. If you sit here, it's okay. Coming through here is a little more challenging, as you can see, because it's just a space that's about that much to get through here. But here's my idea. Check this out. Okay, tools for the job. Once we cut this board, I'm going to sand it and stain it with pecan gloss. It's stain plus polythene that will coat this real nice, and it's a gloss finish. Got me some brushes and then screws to mount down, sander, and then a saw. So I got my table adapter here centered in the Roadtrek to make sure it could clear all the corners. And then I wanted to make sure I had 1/2-inch screws, because the last thing you want to do is go through the wood on the other side. As you can see, it won't. It should give it a nice firm bite with these thick screws, wood screws. I drilled some little pallet holes. That way when I varnish over it, you'll still see the holes. Well, after the first coat, it's looking pretty good. Of course, this is going to be the mounting side. I like to put 2 coats on it. I think I'll flip it over and do 2 coats on the other side. Well, that's the second coat. Definitely darker. I like it. That's going to look real good. Okay, we are dried. Now for the mounting bracket. There's my pilot holes. Just line those up. 1/2-inch screws. Okay, here's the finished product. Got it mounted. I think it turned out pretty good. It's a little redder than the cabinets, but again, they didn't have walnut. But hey, make it look different, unique. So it fits perfect in here. Measurements were right. Fits this corner. I wanted it close, but not too close. So it clears that. And it really works out great for a person here, and for the third chair. It's an equal distance of reach. So I can do my computer work here. I can eat here. This person can eat here off of here. Granted, it's not the biggest board or table, but I wanted it to be smaller so I can get through here now. That was the main purpose. If I want to get it out of the way, I can throw it all the way over there. I can even use it for a kitchen. Gives it a little bit of a different look. Angle from there. You can turn it this way. Works out good for the third person sitting there. And here's that walkway. I can get through here now. I can walk perfectly through here, through the galley. If I come this way, give you that look. Same thing. I can walk right through here easily, where the other one just came out way too far. So yeah, this worked out good. I'm really happy with this. Lightweight. I can store it when I put it up. That way I can leave my bed down and I can eat up here. Of course, we all want to eat outside. That's the main thing of camping. But for rainy days, I can be perfectly comfortable in here. Even with 3 people in this area, we all have a place to put our drinks or food or whatever, or cards, whatever it may be. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up. Take care, y'all.